Assalamu alaikum my all viewers, I hope you are all well and may Allah keep you well all. So today the recipe we are going to make is summer squash or a chapni tinde. It is also called chappan tinda too. So let's make it. First of all, heat a pan and then add oil to it. Then add onion and garlic and mix well until it become translucent. After it become translucent, then add julienne sliced ginger and then keep mixing. After mixing well, then add tomatoes and fry until it becomes soft. At the same time, add salt, red chili powder, turmeric, chili flakes and black pepper powder and mix well until all the ingredients are mixed together. Then add green chilies and mix well. Then at the same time add sliced summer squash or a chapni tinda and mix well until all the spices are well combined with summer squash or a chapni tinda. After mixing well for about 5 minutes, then cover and cook and let it cook for about 10 minutes or until the summer squash waters comes out. At this point, check the vegetables. If it is soft, then cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes until all the water dries up and oil comes out. Now take it out on a plate and garnish it with fresh corianders and a green chilies and serve it with green chutney or can be eaten with any flatbread or a roti. So guys, if you enjoy my recipe and enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.